Hi everyone, for today's project I am going to show you on how I made this beautiful high-end flower vase. So let's do it. So I use this empty can of crisp. Okay, so I just wash inside and then I spray painted it in black. Okay, so I took it outside and spray painted it in black. I got 2 of this can, and now I use this from the fruits, right? Normally if you buy fruits, they wrap it with this kind of I don't know how you call this. Okay, so I just put it on like this, and then I spray painted it with gold color spray paint. Okay. It's kind of windy outside today, guys, so I struggle and it's very cold. So I just let it dry, and now I'm putting this ribbon at the bottom and the top. As you can see from the other one, I made 2 of it. And it's a very simple DIY again, guys. It's just I keep on repeating myself. I just want to make people use their rubbish, inspire them to use their rubbish, refurbish them or recycle them, and you can make a very nice decoration. See, who could tell that this is a tin of crisp? Okay, I didn't have enough ribbon, so and the thing is I had this for ages, so I don't think you can buy this again, or I can buy this again, so I just have to squeeze it. It's almost done. Okay, it's done, guys. So this is the look of it, right? So anyway, once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. This is the look of it now, guys, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and once again, I see you next time. Bye bye.